Hey guys, today we're going to make Mediterranean quinoa salad. The first thing you want to do is make the quinoa according to the package directions and set it aside so it can cool. Then start cutting up the other ingredients. I used 3/4 cup each of grape tomatoes, baby spinach, red onion, cucumber, red bell pepper, and 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives and feta cheese. Okay, next we have to make the dressing. For this, you're going to need 1/2 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon granulated stevia sweetener, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic minced, and then shake it up. Okay, now here's the easy part. All those veggies you chopped up and the Kalamata olives and the feta cheese, put it all in a big giant bowl with your cooled quinoa and stir it all up. Then add your Greek dressing and stir it up again. And you are done. Thanks for watching, you guys. Enjoy.